beautiful. See how much rain we got. Chickens are all wet. It's about 1 inch of rain, I think. These are all empty. That's pretty good. Okay, this was empty. Yeah, about 1 inch. But I forgot to put the barrels right there by the eave of the shelter. I could have caught more rain, but I totally forgot. I'll put them there now, a couple of them. See if I can catch some water. There's a good little puddle right here. Looks dry in here. Looks like some wet spots, maybe. I don't know. Oh, there's a little water right there. Yeah, it did leak right there. I'm glad I covered the bed. A little bit of water in there. Not too bad though. It'll survive. I love it. Let's see how deep it absorbed into the soil. It went about 2 inches down, I think. Not bad. At least the trees are getting all wet. That should give them a good drink. Thirsty trees. Some spots were turning yellow. So I was worried the trees would die if it went too long without water. So thank you, Lord. That was great. Yay. I watered like 10 of my little trees in the yard with about 3 gallons each about a week and a half ago. Then those other 2 trees I watered probably about 100 gallons on them over a week's time for my test. See, I watered these little ones. They were drying up too. I figured these had shorter tap roots, but these have longer tap roots. Cool. Have a good one.